How to create a Facebook business page. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Facebook, and here you can see on the left hand side panel a list of different options, and you can simply select the option of pages. If you are on your mobile device, simply open up the menu on your mobile device, and there you would be able to find the option of pages as well. Simply click on it. After that, you can see the option of create a new page. Click on it, and here it would require you to provide the page name, category. Simply select the business over here and provide the bio and all sort of details related to your business. You can also provide a theme to your business by selecting the appropriate cover and the images and all sort of details, and you can switch between the desktop view or mobile view over here in order to see how it will look like. And after that, click on this option of create page in order to create it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.